happening in here? Wow, I can see all these projections, I can hear stuff. I wonder what's up there. This sounds as though Roxley's furnace cable's really hot inside.
Oh my God, it's so loud in here. I can't hear myself think, and there's fire on the walls.
Oh, the fire shows what's falling in, all the raw ingredients we need for this furnace to work. Now I understand what it is. And over here, wow, I can find out a bit more about what's happening. This is really interesting. There's another one here. I wonder what's around the other side of the furnace.
So yesterday I came in here and it was just a big pile of bricks, poured in, but now we have information about what's happening. We go and ran into the big pentacle, and thanks to the miracle of computer graphics, I can literally feel the intense heat and see the iron pouring out into the bed. It's fantastic.